Amy Slayton, one of the most beloved faces of 1000 LB Sisters, shocked fans and her family alike with an explosive confrontation that left the entire household reeling. In a tense and emotionally charged scene, Amy walked out of a family gathering after being held accountable for her recent drug-related arrest. The words, "I'm done," echoed through the walls as she stormed out, leaving behind more than just a heated argument. She left behind years of unspoken frustration, pain, and resentment that had been bubbling under the surface for far too long. The confrontation wasn't planned. It began innocently enough, just another attempt at a family dinner that spiraled into a full-blown intervention. Amy had shown up late, visibly stressed, and barely touched her food. The tension in the air was thick, and it was clear that the family had gathered with more on their minds than mashed potatoes and fried chicken. Her sisters, especially Tammy and Amanda, had been harboring concerns for weeks. The tabloids had gotten wind of the arrest, and despite the family's attempts to keep things under wraps, the news had gone public. Amy was accused of being found in possession of illegal substances after a routine traffic stop in Kentucky, an incident that she allegedly tried to downplay even to her closest relatives. Tammy, who has gone through her own dark periods with addiction and behavioral struggles, reportedly tried to approach Amy gently at first. "We love you, and we just want to help," Tammy said, her voice trembling, trying to steady the storm before it hit. But Amy wasn't having it. Already feeling betrayed by the leaked news and the whispers that had followed her ever since, she saw the gathering not as an intervention but as an ambush. Her defenses shot up like iron gates, and she responded not with acceptance but with explosive rage. "Y'all don't know what I've been through," she screamed, slamming her glass down on the table. "I made a mistake, but that doesn't give you the right to judge me like the world already does." Cameras, as always, were rolling. Producers reportedly tried to cut the cameras at the height of the argument, but the footage already captured what some crew members are calling one of the most intense scenes ever filmed for the show. Amanda, usually the peacekeeper, stepped in to calm things down, but even her pleas fell on deaf ears. "Amy, we're not attacking you, we're scared for you," she said. "This ain't who you are." But Amy had already reached her breaking point. Her face red with fury, she grabbed her bag, pushed away her chair, and shouted, "I'm done," before walking out the front door and slamming it shut behind her. The fallout from the incident has been massive, both emotionally for the family and publicly in the media. Fans are divided. Some feel for Amy, recognizing the immense pressure she's under as a public figure, single mom, and reality star whose every move is dissected online. Others believe that her family did the right thing by confronting her, arguing that tough love was needed in the face of legal trouble that could spiral into something much worse. Either way, the scene marked a major turning point not just in Amy's storyline, but in the dynamic of the Slayton family as a whole. In the days following her dramatic exit, Amy reportedly cut off communication with her sisters, choosing instead to stay with a close friend in a neighboring county. Sources say she has been quiet on social media, only sharing cryptic posts hinting at betrayal, trust issues, and the pain of being misunderstood. "You can give everything to people and still get blamed when you fall," read one Instagram story, paired with a blurry photo of Amy sitting alone on a porch swing. But this incident didn't come out of nowhere. Those close to the family have hinted for months that Amy's behavior had been more erratic than usual. The pressures of fame, motherhood, and personal trauma had reportedly begun to take a toll. After her split with Michael Halterman, her ex-husband and father of her two young boys, Amy had been struggling to balance filming, court proceedings, and her mental health. While her family stood by her in many ways, the unresolved tension finally erupted during the fateful dinner that ended with her walking out. Tammy, who has been publicly working on herself and winning hearts with her post-surgery transformation and emotional maturity, expressed sadness rather than anger in a recent TikTok live. "We all mess up," she told fans. "I just hope Amy knows we're still here when she's ready. I ain't giving up on my sister." Her words were powerful and showed a different side of the once combative Tammy who used to lash out when things got tough. Meanwhile, production for the next season of 1000 LB Sisters is reportedly in limbo. Some crew members fear Amy may not return, at least not immediately. Without her, the dynamics shift dramatically. While Tammy has increasingly taken center stage due to her health journey and newfound popularity, Amy has always been the emotional core of the series, the sister with humor, vulnerability, and a heart that fans connected with. Her absence would create a vacuum not easily filled. Speculation is now swirling about whether Amy will seek professional help, not just for legal reasons but for emotional and psychological healing. Some fans have encouraged her to check into a wellness retreat or mental health facility to regroup. Others hope she'll turn to therapy or counseling to process her experiences and trauma, much like Tammy did in the past year. Close friends of the family say that Amy has been in contact with a therapist since the arrest, but no formal rehab or intervention has been confirmed. The drug arrest itself remains under investigation. Authorities have not released full details, but preliminary reports suggest that Amy was found with a small quantity of a controlled substance during a traffic stop. No further charges have been added, and her legal team is said to be working on a plea that would keep her out of jail. However, even if the legal side is handled quietly, the public damage has already been done. Fans and tabloids are watching every move, every expression, and every word she puts out. And for someone who has spent her adult life in front of the camera, that kind of scrutiny can break even the sponge. Saint Soul, as the dust begins to settle, one thing is clear, Amy Slayton is at a crossroads. The woman who once captured hearts with her infectious laugh, self-deprecating humor, and relentless love for her kids is now facing a storm that will define her future. Will she fight her way back into the hearts of her family and fans? Or will the weight of public shame, legal trouble, and personal trauma push her further away from everything she once held dear? Her supporters remain hopeful. They remember the Amy who held Tammy's hand through medical crises, who cried tears of joy when she held her firstborn, and who never let her size or circumstances define her. That Amy is still there, bruised, maybe, but not broken. And if this show has taught fans anything over the years, it's that the Slayton sisters are nothing if not resilient. They fall, yes, but they get back up. For now, Amy Slayton's future remains uncertain. She's walking her own path, away from the cameras, the judgment, and perhaps even the family who read to save her. But maybe, just maybe, that's the kind of space she needs to find herself again. Only time will tell if she'll return, stronger, wiser, and more determined than ever to rewrite her story. Until then, fans will be waiting, watching, and hoping that this walkout wasn't the end, but a new beginning. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.